Morning guys, just going to do a quick video of how I fit the new Gen 2 boot cover. If you just want to pop round here. First we have to remove the upper trim that covers over here. So then we'll lay this down. On this one I've marked from the centre, then I've gone every 100mm. Just put little marks on it. Obviously you want one on either side of this part that comes down here. And all you do is simply just hold that up there, drill a hole through and put a rivet, like I say, every 100mm. You have to clean off underneath because obviously you're going to get swarf. Clean that off, we'll hoover that up later. There we go. And if we work like this, so we'll do this one, and we'll work his way outwards. Right, so now I've fitted all the rivets in here. You can either put the cover on now or you can put that on after. And now what I want to do is come around to this side. Once again, I found the middle of here. So I'm going to put a fixing in there, which is in the middle. Maybe go a little bit higher. So now that I drilled the hole, I'll get the fixing. Push that through that way. That on the back there. We've got this tool off the internet somewhere, which is really handy. We tend to do quite a few of these. Just push that in there. Clamp it up so it's nice and tight. Beautiful. What I like to do is I'll get some masking tape, put it underneath around where it's going to go. I'll not push it all the way down, maybe just on the edges. I'll pull this really hard. Press that down. And you'll see it's left a ring there. So that's where the centre of the hole that you want to drill for the other side of the fixing. And now I'm ready to fix the lower part of the fixing. I'll put a rivet through there. I've turned a little thing down on the lathe. Just helps that it'll pull it all the way up. Otherwise they're a little bit wobbly. I'll push this in. Try and get his rivet on the back again. Just be careful here because when it pops sometimes it can slip onto the paint. There we go. Beautiful. Pull it over, make sure it's nice and tight. And once again just carry on. Now here I'm going to go to the edges of these. If you go too far in then this part flaps up a little bit, so I'm going to go quite close to the edge there. And maybe after, if it looks like it needs some, I'll go in between as well. But we'll just work his way around. So one there, maybe one somewhere around here, maybe 2 or 3 at the edge here. Whatever you think looks the best, really. Alright, so we're all done now. What we decided on the back was just the 3 across the middle. That seems to work fine. Now we've fitted this cover back over and we've put the seat belts back on. But to have a look here, these are a popular upgrade that we sell quite a few of now. It just looks a lot better than the silver bolt that's normally there. You can buy these parts off of Kit Spares as well. If you look on the website or give us a call, we can get you some of those. So I'll just have a little run through of the tools that I've used to fix this. Obviously a drill, 3.2mm drill bit for the rivets. I've used an heading pen, that's to mark on the vinyl cover of where I'm going to drill. Obviously a riveter with a range of rivets. Tape measure, that comes in handy to measure your spacing right. Masking tape, that's like I shown you in the other video, just place that on and you can put your press stud on. And also we have one of these for the press studs. There is multiple different ones out there, but because we do quite a few, obviously we use this one. This one's really good. So if you have these tools at home, you can fit this yourself, or you can bring it into us and we can fit it for you.